Like peals of raging thunder and lightning, will the great day of the Lord's wrath shall end, will be. It has begun already, all you peoples of the earth. The Lord God Jehovah Yahweh is very displeased and angry with mankind, just as in the days of Noah and Sodom and Gomorrah. And just like peals of raging and roaring thunder and lightning, so shall be the great day of the Lord, his wrath upon an unbelieving and wicked generation who hates his beloved Son Jesus and curses the name God the Father. The earth will be consumed with his raging wrath, fires, floods, earthquakes, and all of the other things for men. He will pour out his 7 bowls of wrath. He will sound his 7 trumpets. Fire, fervent fire of his anger, coming out of his nostrils, so shall be the great day of the Lord.